Hi, good morning guys. So it's another day, and our itinerary for today is visit Mahaa because it's hyped and you won't see how the place looks like, and also visit Nzulezu. We will see if we can do all in a day. We can do all today. Yes, so I'll tag you guys along. Don't worry. And this is our view this morning. You can see how dirty the river has become. But nice environment, nice place to relax. But just that the river is dirty. Yeah. So I'll see you guys later.
Continue for 1 kilometer.
Oh, left or right? Good morning. We are heading towards the bar. Okay, so can you give us the direction?
Okay, let me park you then.
Okay. Maybe see how you see cantina. You see some questions, no?
What's that?
Maybe so when you see cantina, you see some questions how quite fun.
Okay, I'm going to ride one of those things.
Is that?
I'm going to ride one of those things.
Why?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm going.
And this is Mahaa. The place is very huge. Like I don't know how to describe the place, but the place is very, very big. The place is, I don't know, you can walk and be very tired. The place is very big. As for that one, no cap. This is very big. The place is like a normal village setting, like a modern village setting. That is how the place is like, and the sea is beautiful. Unlike where we went to sleep, that the river was dirty. This sea was clean and was looking very nice. The environment, oh my god, was so welcoming. Yeah. And the hotel rooms are just like, I don't know how to describe them. Like an estate which is built in one community. That is how the rooms are built. They look like an apartment. That's how the places. That's how the rooms are built. Enjoy the view as you watch. Apart from the beach and the bar, I don't know what else is here. That makes this place fucking expensive. I don't know. I think this is the bar.
Alright. Just
mountain. This is the Mahaa bar. Mahaa bar. After getting some drinks from the bar, we decided to take a walk and tour the area. Enjoying the touring with us. The place is huge, as I said earlier. We couldn't even walk to the end. We were so tired that we had to go back. Yeah. And apart from, I saw a pool, and then there was a bar and restaurant. Apart from that, there was nothing there. Just that you have a peaceful environment, a very peaceful one, a beautiful environment to relax. The place is quite expensive. As at the time we checked, it was around, I think, 1,002 a night. Yes. So this is Mahaa. This is Mahaa. So we left Mahaa and there was still time. We decided to visit Nzulezu, and we heard it was some few minutes from Mahaa. So we joined the road and started the journey to Nzulezu. I think it was about 30 to 45 minutes to Nzulezu from Mahaa. So this is Nzulezu. That's a signpost. Welcome to Nzulezu village.
Big.
Yeah.
How many minutes?
So we had to ask around where the village on the river was. And this was the area they showed us to come to. So, no, but
He said, individuals are just individuals. I'm going to near the amount
and now we're cooking.
when I could see the dear boat.
Ah, okay.
Because I've said, I know I am my duty. And so talk a can I have my work.
Oh, okay. But yeah, for boat. The person mentions a night here. But so person won't chat take it out. You say what call? Other place, Nana.
Oh. I'm Mahaa.
Oh, okay. And so now the Uchi boat, no?
You will be a riding boat, your tour guide. Tour guide, your boat rider. And your life jacket. He said, yeah. Papa said, yeah, I guess I'm not professional.
Oh, okay, okay. But has there been any instance? Obiato is your name.
Oh, David,
I didn't see that.
started out a year Now, Mr. Soprani is super boat. And another part from house to the village. It take about 1 hour 10 minutes.
Wow. Auntie, when are they? Electric. Oh, okay. Internet take how many minutes?
Within 20 minutes.
And wow. And now what? I want to say. Wow. Oh, okay. Saying I had here. Wow. Oh, okay. I don't see. Oh, okay.
Individual saying if I just send it individual to an tour guide, I'm not allowed that. Tour ride
the boat. Guys, we got here, but my husband was scared of the water, so we couldn't go on the boat. But this is how the place looks like. This was the next day, and this is the town Ankobra, the town closer to the sea. We decided to buy fish directly from the sea, and we were asked to use this route. So we were driving towards the sea, the seashore. So come along. Charlie, it wasn't easy. Walking from where we parked the car to where the fishermen were was very far, and the sun was really scorching. It was really far. We had to walk for like 15 minutes from where we parked our car to the place where we bought the fish. So I was trying to show you guys where we were walking to. Yep.